Many of you want to know about options and are curious because you're being misled. You have a bunch of YouTubers talking about how they sold options on this and that and covered calls to earn income. People who, and I've developed this channel for people who want push button money. Okay, simple. Obviously, I'm a trader. I used to be an options trader, but not a clown trader, a real trader. Okay, so let's take a listen to this. Now, you'll have to excuse, this is from Retire on Dividends with YouTube fair use for proper critique, criticism, and education, because you're all being misled. Okay, so this, unfortunately, there's background noise. We're going to hear how much money he made. He loves to annualize it. That means if you have one big hit and you counted that you got that same big hit every day for a whole year, you'd get these monster percentages. But in reality, when the guy's really making between $20 and $100, it's not a good deal. And you have to put up collateral. So what does that mean? So you have to put up, let's say, $1,000 to make maybe $38 on a stock that you don't want, but you're trying to earn a premium on it. When you fail, you will hear this term many times. I was assigned. That means that you failed. You did not just manipulate the system to collect an options premium, but the other person won and they assigned you the stock. That means they shoved a stock up where the sun don't shine, where you don't want it, and stuck it to you. So you failed. So you take all this risk to make $20, $30. Now, I'm going to play a little bit of this, but he recorded this on a Saturday. And unfortunately, since his vasectomy on Saturdays, okay, his wife goes out with her boyfriend and he's home watching the child. But let's just hear a little bit and then we'll show you some real options. And then I will give you the option to decide whether or not this is for you. It is highly risky. I played a different kind of option game. This was before crypto, and I'll show you some of those videos. And then I found that it was so much easier to make money leverage trading. And so I came to this space looking for push button money, passive income, not to be learning a whole bunch of strategies and puts and calls, and there's time decay and theta to make pennies.
$1.08 per share or $108 in premium. And in the end, I fronted $4,200.
Whoa, he just laid out $4,200 to make $100. You risked $4,200 to make $100. That is insane. Insane.
Which gave me an annualized.
Here we go. The annualized. So if he got this killer one-day lucky trade every single day for the next year, he can analyze that or annualize that.
That's the interest rate of 85%. Again.
Can you see how I am calling bullshit on this? It's not 85%. He made $106 today, one day, and had to lay out a ton of collateral.
And apologize for the noise in the background.
Yeah, I know.
But my
wife's banging day.
I had to make this video now. There's no other time today,
Right.
really. And my 2-year-old's with me at the moment.
And it's great because he got a vasectomy at the demand of his wife. Okay, this is Retire on Dividends that we're making fun of if you're new here. And again, it's all in good parody and fun. Okay, some people like this spread shit. My history goes back a bit and it's a little bit different. If you go back to my channel to some of the oldest videos, you could see I was shorting Tesla at $781. Well, you were all buying it and loving it. 3 years ago, Oracle for another win, 80%. Shopify, one-day hit. Not annualized, no. Okay? 201% one-day earnings play. Wayfair and Tesla, 202% actually. How I made $31,000 in 1 hour from Tesla. Shorting Tesla daily. Don't you wish you were doing all of this when Tesla was over $700 and everybody was telling you buy the dip? I was giving you reality. Yeah, on the same channel, Oracle ETFs. This is why we have so many subscribers. It's growing and growing and growing by the day. I've opened a Discord. It's very elite and unique. To get in the Discord, In about maybe in the next 15 days or so, we will open the doors again for a brief time. Make sure you find the link that says Oracle email list under this video in the description box. If you can't find it, well, find Retire on Dividends. Maybe you fit in with them or the Kumar Tards. Before we get into it, let me show you a little bit of the Kumar Tards.
That's an inverse
QYLD.
QYLD.
You got the experts
I think
and the Tards.
you see here.
Okay.
I have heard of that stock before. It's one of the variations of the
This guy's an expert,
the Q
you know,
family.
like Matt.
Yes, it's like an
Tard.
original covered call fund.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to leave the handicap crew. Let's jump through a little bit of this video. I don't know what we're up to yet. Let's just see my past. You got to be kidding me. So what's going to happen when everything's electric and people can have freedom of choice? But you all believe in Elon, right? Now everything's electric. He's like the greatest salesman I've ever seen. This was 3 years ago. Imagine if he was shorting Tesla. I seen him make the indestructible glass. Did you ever see that? And it fucking breaks. He throws something at it and breaks. So this would be 3 years ago. And what of him, man. Comes to Wall Street with options. I got victims. I got targets. Let's see how W's doing. Shit's going wild. Leverage trading at the same time. Some Bitcoin action going on here. 51,000. Look at that pump. You know how much money you could have made on that? You have no idea. At 50x? I don't know. Pick a day. How about this day? 154,000. Whoa. Boom, 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 boom. Wait a minute. That's 16% in 1 minute. $5,000. That's 9,000. Look at this. 28%. This is called War on the 1 minute chart. Okay. I think I hit maximum withdrawal that day. Oh, the 1 minute chart, baby. Station. It's hilarious. Bitcoin withdrawal limit. If you look closely at the bottom, I decide to slap that message back. Okay. Look, I had a 38% gain on the bottom. Look at this. Your withdrawal has been canceled. The maximum withdrawal is 10 Bitcoin in 24 hours. I put that exchange out of business. But let's go back. I don't think you should bother learning options. I like these YieldMax ETFs. I'm a little disillusioned with YieldMax. I'm going to go into that in my next video. But I want you all to know that what you're seeing with these clowns with their $20 puts, it's garbage. Garbage. Take a look. Boom, and we closed it there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, it's shorting Tesla, right? And you all sleeping, watching these put clowns. Hold on. Let's see what we got here. Oracle's knocking it off the charts. We are up $15,000 right now. Okay? Not including our first trade. In the day. Okay? And this was the first trade before that. Another $6,000. So on our first trade, we made $6,127 since the start of this video. Plus, oh my God, we're up $18,000 already. Plus the $6,000 since the start of this video. Oh my God, did they get bad news? What the hell? You know what? I'm going to take this $18,000 right now. So after fees, I just made, according to this, $25,000. So I want you to all decide who you're listening to. Where do you want to be? This is the channel to subscribe to for strategies, not spreadsheets. This was back in the day on Ameritrade. I am always ahead of everyone else. Now, should you listen to these kind of clowns? No. No. Okay? This is like a retard show. And the guy who I have the most disdain for on this channel is the guy that thinks his shit don't stink. Matt, the human Alexa. He chimes in with his proper British accent and says some bullshit. Anyway, look, I gotta go. This guy's a clown. He's misleading people. I seen him put up a chart, okay, based on the highest yields. He's like, whoa, you want to buy by the highest yields. In my next video, I will explain to you that if you do YieldMax wrong, it's really designed to take advantage of inexperienced noobs like these people that look at just yield. And then he puts, Amazon, AMC's down number 15. Yeah, he's got, I'll tell you. I don't want to talk about this guy too much. I know that he gives his wife a lot of money and they're not married that long. So you think how this is going to work out. Fucking great. And he's sucking his funds dry. Okay? I mean, every day he's putting $20, $20, $20. It's ridiculous. So if you want to see some of those videos, go to my Oracle ETFs, go to videos, go to oldest. Very first video out of the gate was core compounding because it works. And then start scrolling. You could see me core compounding Apple, but my strategy was to trade on earnings. To trade on earnings. Go back and watch this old information or previous information from 3 years ago. I devastated them. Now, of course, I missed sometimes. I think I lost $300,000, $350,000 on Netflix in one day. Okay, look here, put option miss, how to handle a loss. Tesla earnings, they missed. I got them. Anyway, have a nice day, everyone. And I want to know below, do you want me to go into detail of how you can fail at Yield Max? You can definitely fail. Yield Max, Round Hill, all of them. Tell me in the comments if you want to know. But I'll give you a tip. You lose all your money by buying based on yield and hot trend and following schmucks, midgets, and morons. Have a nice day.